Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And fix Windows search bar is not working. Okay, so how to fix issue? So this issue is related Windows searching. So click to start, and otherwise you can right click to empty in the taskbar and then open the task manager. This is easy to open. Okay, I show you once again where it is empty. Like here, you can see my mouse icons and just right click. Okay, after that, first is task manager and second is taskbar setting. So click task manager, and after that, full screen, and find out the Windows Explorer. So Windows Explorer is to right click. Okay, and then click to restart, and after that it will remove taskbar will gone and come back within a second. So it's come back, and then close it. Then uh, restart the Windows search service. From services, click to start, type service, and right click to run as administrator, and press W and search. So Windows search slow down. We can see Windows search and double click. If it is stopped, so click to start, but before that have select automatic, then stop it, and then again start, and then apply, and then OK, and once again select Windows search and right hand side click to restart. Okay, and then close it. Then next, rebuild search index. So click to start, and then type control panel, open it, select view by category, and otherwise you can search directly index. So you can see it will come index in options. Click on it. After that, click advance, and then click to troubleshoot. Okay, you can click directly rebuild on. Okay, and then click to OK. Once again click to option. Now you can see indexing completing, so it's like doing indexing. Okay, and then you can click to close it. It will work in the background, so no worry. Okay, next, reset the Windows search. So click to start, type PowerShell, right click to run as administrator. Okay, and then type this restart service W search. Okay, this is first command. Okay, and then this is second, stop service, and then third is start web service. Okay, and then close it. Then last and very important, click to start, type CMD, and then right click to run as administrator, and then type SFC space slash scan now, and then hit enter. After that it will start a percentage. Okay, so when it is completed 100%, then guys restart your system, and then please check. Okay, and please confirm your issue resolved or not in the comment. Thank you.